Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix wiper alarm remote not working or responding, battery, reprogram and sensor fix. Fix 1 is replace the remote battery. Open the remote case carefully, then remove the old battery. Install a new battery of the same type, close the remote and test the button. Second fix is check the remote range. Move closer to the vehicle, then remove any object blocking the signal. Try locking and unlocking the vehicle again. Then third one is reprogram the wiper remote. Enter the vehicle and close all doors. Turn the ignition to the on position. Then press and release the valid or program button. Follow your wiper alarm model programming procedure. Test the remote after programming. Fourth one is reset the wiper alarm system. Find the valid button under the dashboard or near the steering wheel. Turn the key to on, then back off. Press and hold the valid button. While holding the button, turn the key on and off 3 times. Release the valid button. Wait for the light to flash or the alarm to trip. Thanks for watching.